Hello family, welcome to my kitchen where we cook delicious meals and have real talks. So, here is a lesson for today. You think you always have time until you don't. Some people walk into your life and changes everything. But what happens when they walk away? Let me tell you a story. There was a girl named Ada and she had the best friend Chika, who was always there. Through heartbreaks, exams, job rejections, breakdowns, Chika showed up every single time. But as time went on, Ada got busy. She stopped calling, stopped texting. She figured Chika understands. She's always been there. She will always be. Until one day, Chika stopped calling too. She didn't disappear in anger. She just got tired of being taken for granted. That's when Ada felt the silence. The kind that echoes, the kind that reminds you that not everyone stays forever. They say you find someone else, but let's be honest, some people aren't just people. They are angels. Guys, as humans, they may not be perfect, but they are always there. They are seasons, they are lifelines. They are the soft places we land when the world gets too heavy. Some people are truly irreplaceable. Not because they are perfect, but because they love you when you are unloved. They stood by you when no one else did. They know you. They know your downs. They know your ups. They know your deeper cries. Think about your life right now. Who is your Chika? Who answers when you cry? Who encourages you when you want to give up? Don't wait until their silence teaches you what their presence meant. Value people while they are in your life, because love isn't just about saying I care. It's about showing up, listening, saying thank you, saying I'm sorry. Don't assume they know how much they mean to you. Call them, hug them, text them, surprise them, appreciate them while you can. Because the saddest line in any story is, I thought they will always be there. As Romy once said, don't grieve. Anything you lose come around in another form. But sometimes that form wouldn't be the one you needed most. So before you scroll past this video, pause. Think of someone who is being there for you. And do this simple thing. Tell them, say I love you, say I see you, say you matter, because you do. Value them now before someday it becomes late. Let me know in the comment section what step you have decided to take to value that person who matters most in your life. And also drop in a comment section what topic you want us to talk about in the next video. And also drop your location in the comment section. I would like to give you a big hug for watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video, and please do well to share. What have you learned from this video? Drop it in the comment section and see you in my next video. Bye.